Ang greatness para sa akin nakikita sa small beginnings. Nung nagsimula ako, sobrang gusto ko talaga na magkaroon ng malaking koleksyon. I started collecting kasi iba talaga yung feeling kapag nakikita mo sa'yo yung isang bagay na pinapangarap mo dati. Kaya gusto ko laging share yung pieces na gusto ko to inspire others. In my work, I witness greatness. Halos araw-araw, nakaka-work ko mga magagaling na artists, nakakita ako ng mga malulupit na pieces. Kapag na-experience ko to, napupush ako lalo to find the next big thing. I want to own pieces na hindi usually nakikita ng tao. Pieces that will blow everyone's minds. Kasi greatness is going all out, no half measures. Hindi pwedeng-pwede na. Greatness isn't about reaching for the bar of excellence. Greatness is about setting it.